This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 5 versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition. Now the Pixel 5 has the Snapdragon 765G with 6 gigs of RAM and always on the latest version of Android 11 versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE with a Snapdragon 865 on Android 10 on its latest version of One UI. I think this is going to be a pretty good matchup. Both phones are priced similarly. I think this is going to be a good video. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Google Pixel 5 versus Samsung Galaxy S20 FE speed test. What will happen right meow? Which phone will boot up faster? Let's find out. Oh, Pixel 5? Oh, both are starting. Oh! I think the Pixel pulled out in front by a little bit. I think I'm gonna give the win to the Pixel 5 on the boot up. And we are in. All right, man, let's get right down to the beeswax. I am gonna go like that. No recently used apps on the FE. Do the same thing on the Pixel 5. No recent items on that phone. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. FE, messages, draw, the camera. Pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. Oh, a little bit faster on the 5. Very nice. Let's fire up the clock. A little bit faster on the right. Let this run and leave that running in the background. Calculator, a little bit faster on the right again. Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 5. All right, let's go ahead and click on, what can we click on? Click on this. We'll go ahead and leave it there. And then Amazon. Oh, S20, tiny bit faster, but not by much. Ooh, and then the 5 is faster on that one. Back and forth they go. I'm telling you, this Pixel 5 is a little sleeper, I tell you. It can hang with the best of them. See, like this one, not that far behind, really. Look at that, almost identical. This one. Okay, loading first on the FE. Will the 5 catch up? We'll give the win to the S20 FE, but the Pixel 5, not that far behind. Tap to begin. Okay, FE, tiny bit faster, but not by much. Tempo Run 2. Loading first on the FE. Okay, we'll give the win to the FE on this. We'll tap to play. And we'll go ahead and leave that in the background and then click on this one. Ooh, the S20 is super fast. Wow, okay. We'll tap to play on both. And then Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Fan Edition. Ooh, will the Pixel catch it? Okay, we'll give the win to the FE on this one. Pixel's hanging in there though, it's not that far behind. This one next. FE, I think, is out in front. We'll see what happens. We'll give the win to the FE on this. Do one of those, and then PUBG, of course. What will happen on this one? Ooh, FE out in front. Hearing noise from the FE first. We'll give the win to the S20. We'll tap this, get rid of that. And there we go. As you can see, the Pixel 5 is right there, right on its heels. Twitter, pretty much the same. Call that one a draw. IG, draw. Snapchat, tiny bit faster on the FE. And then we do have the Chrome and Samsung Internet, respectively. Okay, let's go ahead and click on, or do a search for the usual, my usual search, which is GSM Arena. And then we'll click on, let's see. Okay, we'll click on the search result, that one. Okay, then we'll click on this one. Ooh, oh, Pixel 5 just a tiny bit faster. We'll pinch to zoom. Check that out, nice and smooth on the FE's 120 display. And then we'll do the same. Nope, I cannot do it on the Pixel 5. And we'll click on the Pixel 5 review, ironically. We'll do a scroll, super smooth on the 120 display here on the S20 FE. Do the same thing here on the 5 with its 90 Hz display, super smooth as well. You can pinch to zoom. Can you do? Nope, can't do it on the Pixel. That's all right. We'll go ahead and click on the desktop version. We'll see what happens here. Ooh, okay. Oh, neck and neck. I started seeing ads on this one first and then this one caught up. I don't know. Watch the video, let me know in the comments. We'll pinch to zoom here. Nice and smooth. And then now, can I pinch to zoom here? Yes, I can. Okay, so you have to go to the desktop version in order to do this on the Pixel. And with the 90 Hz, that is nice and butter right there. Woo! Love it. All right, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, and I gotta say, the side-to-side scrolling here, 90 Hz display, 120 Hz display, I can do this all day. It's just so buttery smooth to the naked eye. Whew! I love these fast displays now, man. Freaking love it. Anyway, we'll go through these apps again, see what happens. Any lag, any stutters, any reloads. We'll have a look. Here's the PUBG. Good to go on both phones. Okay, and then we do have this one. Get rid of this ad. That's kind of annoying. Yes, get rid of this. Can I get rid of it? You can get right back into the game, but cannot get rid of this ad. Anyway, whatever. Get out of that. No problems on the Pixel 5 either. Angry Birds. Ooh, that was interesting. I think the 5 was actually faster. All right, we'll take note of that. And then up next, Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both. As you can see, I think the 5 was actually a tiny bit faster there. This one stuttered a little bit. Interesting. Oh, we have a reload on the FE. Pixel kept it right there. All right, and then this one, we can resume and keep playing. No problems on the Pixel 5. Mario Run. Oh, and the 20 is reloading. What's going on with the FE here? eBay, same place. All right, so that's a couple of reloads on the right. The Amazon, faster on the 5. This one stuttered again a little bit. Okay. And then again, another stutter. This one straight into this page. All right, take note of that. Calculator, same place. Clock, still running the stopwatch. Camera, about the same. Messages, faster on the Pixel 5. And of course, the phone app. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.